in the production children's theatre, acting scene work, two major productions also doing arts classes. All these happen here only. Department.
I saw one
Yeah.
was it already was that?
Replied with that.
It was
Yeah, another hall cake.
I think Rajesh
Yeah, yeah.
where did I see her? Yeah, that time.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our student graduation production, Doll, Not I. Before we begin, kindly switch off your mobile phones or put them on silent mode. We also request that you refrain from flash photography and videography. Without further ado, let's present Doll, Not I.
मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ। अरे मुझे कोई मिल गई। हाँ एक लड़की मतलब वाइफ ऑलमोस्ट ए वाइफ। हाँ अरे वो इमेजिनरी नहीं है, वो सुनती है और बीच में आपकी तरह टोकती भी है। हाँ हाँ जी
Marco, time is passing. Take, will be 60 soon, then 70. Marco, time is passing.
here you are। हेलो हाँ हाँ मैं कुंजन नंबर से बोल रहा हूँ। नहीं सब कुछ ठीक है, लेकिन ये रिमोट कंट्रोल एक्टिवेट भी हो रहा है। हाँ एक मिनट प्लीज। अरे यार मैं भी तो लाला ही भूल गया। हाँ हाँ ठीक है, मैं एक ही फ्लैश पैकेट भेज दूँ। ओके here you are।
never changing, always the same, on and on.
What are you doing?
मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ कि तुम स्मेल कैसे करती हो प्लास्टिक की या रबर की।
There's no need for you to be offensive. I'm not one of those primitive dog dolls. I'm the most modern dog, made up of renewable organic matters. My skin is the same as the building and its composition. I have a fragrance of a 30-year-old woman who just came out of the shower, dried herself, and used yogurt. I must point out that everywhere. I'm a girl who will get if she is 14 days from a period, so I'm prepared professional sexual union for that. Everything.
Excellent, excellent. मेरी जो गर्लफ्रेंड थी वो 3 महीने पहले यहाँ से चली गई। Since then, I have gone out of the way of having sex.
When sex is in question, you will only experience pleasure with me.
Should start confident. हालांकि मुझे ऐसे लोग बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है।
I don't understand.
You will have to. बस ये बहुत बाहर निकालने में मदद करो।
I am not programmed for having physical contact.
मैं भी कोई ट्रेन नहीं हूँ इन सब कामों के लिए। पर फिर भी मैं कहता हूँ ना, आओ बस मदद करो।
Let me state it again. Listen, collect all the many sexual organs. Okay, ovary, smiling, chatting. That's the scope of man. Carrying out healthy wish is not my job.
You are programmed to obey my orders. अब मेरा ऑर्डर है ये बॉक्स बाहर निकालने में मेरी मदद करोगी। समझी?
You are forcing me to do the work that I am not programmed. I should obey, but I retain the rights to be angry and store this unprepared situation in my memory.
अरे जहाँ स्टोर करना है कर लो। बस ये बाहर निकालने में मदद करो। जा।
No screaming for help, for example. Should she feel so inclined, scream, then listen. You scream again, then listen again. No, spare that. All silent as the grave, fun.
Let the first man in the love with. Answer me.
Theoretically, you're the first. If I don't count the trial period,
Actually,
the liberty tag, a sort of technical initiation.
निकलियो। नहीं।
Before I earned my certificate as a complete girl, they carried out the NET experiment. The experiment was related to sexual laxity,
क्या बात किसका?
sexual finance.
किसके साथ?
There were a few of them.
Disgusting. Quite disgusting.
There's no need for you to be offensive. I'm not one of those primitive doctors. There's no reason for you to be angry. After that, they washed me and disinfected me. I'm not even carrying all of their bacteria.
मुझे उल्टी आ रही है। ना, मैंने डॉल ऑर्डर किया और अब पता लग रहा है कि हम डॉल भी यूज नहीं हो सकती।
Innocence in our civilization is vastly overrated. It's almost an anachronism.
तुमने उनके साथ एक-एक करके किया या सबके साथ?
It lasted for a week. One by one.
कितने लोग थे?
White men. And Barbara.
बारह।
My creator and the world's greatest scientist today. She transferred her scale of bearing to me, where judging math is involved.
और उसका जजमेंट अगर मर्दों के बारे में गलत हो तो
That's impossible. She's invaluable. She's always right.
उसके पति के लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा।
She does not have a husband. She left him.
और एक ऐसी औरत ने जो मर्दों के बारे में सिखाया?
Don't bet on Barbara. I don't program one person.
और वो लोग ये करते हैं बारी बारी एक ऐसे डॉग के साथ जो खुद को डिफेंड भी नहीं कर सकती है।
And on the last day, before they put me in the box, they organized a party in the lab, where everything happened, but they did not take turns in practice. No. They all wanted to do together.
और तुमने करने दिया? मेरा ये मैटर करता है मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने मेरे पहले कितने लोगों के साथ सेक्स किया है।
And with how many women have you practiced sexual activity?
पर मुझे नहीं लगा कि तुम इन सब चीजों में इंटरेस्टेड होगी।
I programmed to be interested in the things that interest my partner. So, I'd like to know the number of women with whom you have had sexual relationship.
पिछले 39 सालों में इतने रहे जितने तुम्हारे एक हफ्ते में हो।
That means we're the same.
हो सकता है। बस मैंने एक ग्रुप में ट्राई नहीं किया।
I put a spell on you because you're mine. You better stop the things you do. I tell you, I ain't lying. Because you're mine, oh mine.
My baby was in my and now you have to do it with direct.
तो तुम ये कह रही हो कि अगर मैं कुछ देर वहां और टिक जाता तो तुम बीच में छोड़ के चली जाती।
Yes, but simply requires energy balance for full sensory synchronization.
घर में भी चार्जिंग के बारे में सोचना होगा। अरे वो सॉकेट खराब है दूसरा वाला यूज करो। हो गया? करने के बाद होली कैसे लगती? वैसे तो कमाल की चीज है। तुम्हारी आवाज सुन के लग रहा है तुम्हें बहुत मजा है।
What makes you think that?
हमें एक साथ हुआ था।
I programmed so that my modes follow yours.
Am I the best?
The best in what?
आप चिड़ी खेल रहे हो तो हम खेल रहे हो तो बिस्तर पर बैठ के ऐसे।
You're in the fifth place. The best was the young chemist from laboratory. His body was unbelievably supple. His fingers were soft. His heart has the highest number of beats. Would you prefer I lie to you? Would you prefer I lie to you?
हमारी my ex मैं कभी समझ ही नहीं पाया कि वो क्या सोचती थी until she spoke about a child. उसका मानना ये था कि हम एक बच्चे के साथ ही खुश रह पाएंगे.
Women and men have children. That's all natural.
अरे मेरे नेचुरल बात नहीं है यार कि मैं कहीं से और नर्सिंग पे बैठ के कोई बच्चा नाचे फिर बच्चे का अंदर है पापा 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 I don't like this shit. और कुछ दिन बाद मैं उसकी यूज नहीं करूँ. मेरे बाप के साथ मेरी कभी नहीं बनती. कभी सपोर्ट ही नहीं किया. मुझे दुनिया घूमना था, लेवल सेट नहीं करना था, मना कर दिया. अब बस एक मामूली सा स्कूल क्लर्क हो, दिन भर इसके बच्चे, उसके बच्चे, इसके बच्चे, उसके बच्चे, हाईलाइट घुमाते रहो. यही काम है मेरा.
What about your ex?
मारिया से मैं नहीं लाइक पहले इसलिए अच्छी लगी हुई वरना कभी जाके सामने बता नहीं थे तुझे बता दिया सब कुछ बढ़िया था जिस फोटो वाला चाहिए
That's also normal.
तुम मुझे मत सिखाओ क्या नॉर्मल है उस दिन भी वो वही खड़ी जहाँ तुम लोग खड़ी हो और पूछ रही थी क्या चाहता हूँ बच्चा शादी मैंने ऑनेस्टली बता दिया यार तुम्हारे साथ ना मुझे कभी बच्चा नहीं चाहिए था
Good for her. Because she realized that she has no future with you.
तुम ये चाहती हो कि मैं चुप हो जाऊं
I'm programmed not to want silence.
Maria's silence was the worst. Female silence can be so thundering, it freezes men's blood.
How can silence be thundering? That's impossible. Absurd.
और तुम मुझे पागल कर दोगी.
I have to be what I am.
Guilty or not guilty? Stand up, woman. Speak up, woman. How she had lived on and on. Guilty or not?
अरे शोर कम करोगी.
I look for you, stand here for you, and you're not satisfied.
अरे मैं satisfied हूँ. मैं बस ये कह रहा हूँ कि जब मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा हूँ मुझे थोड़ा शांत माहौल पसंद है बस. हाँ. इधर आओ. बैठो. To us, perfect couple, no argument, no expectations.
I love you, Marcos.
Love. What is love? A touch, a voice, but no, never a word.
Never complain. Unlike real woman.
Marcos, what is love?
Consistency. Companionship.
Then why don't you wait until I step up this vision?
तुम बेशक मेरे एक सवाल के जवाब में अपनी 3 सवाल खड़ी कर देती हो।
Because I seek multiple explanations and answers for everything between us.
देखो, लाइफ इसका इमोशनल नहीं होती है, खासकर एक मर्द और औरत के बीच।
We are not fighting, but I see absurd. I clean, cook, and fulfill your wish. And you enjoy the meal. Yet you complain about the noise when I tidy up.
और तुम क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी?
Your satisfaction, a pleasant conversation, not complaining about unavoidable sounds, necessary, utensils are messy. Sound is inevitable.
आर्या यहाँ आने से पहले मैं अकेला रहता। आदत बन चुका था कि शांत माहौल में पेपर पढूं, क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने पैसे तो नहीं है कि मैं पूरी दुनिया घूम सकूं। उसके लिए घूम लेता हूँ।
Then that was not a fair right.
क्यों?
Because you excluded her.
बकवास। देखो, हम मर्द और औरतें ना एक जैसे नहीं होते। तुम बात बोलो। और तुम लोग मानने को तैयार नहीं हो। और ये चाहते हो कि हम तुम्हारी बात मानें।
You never changed your mind. Never compromised with me. You didn't want the child, even knowing that they were essential for her life. When she left you, you went all in.
That's ridiculous.
No, you chose a doll over a real woman because you wanted no obligations. You wanted a partner who didn't expect anything from you. That isn't love. Love is giving, not just taking. Love is happiness in another's happiness, not just in your own.
Right, I guess. तुम्हारी बात पर अभी घूम गई है।
That's impossible.
That's certainly possible. I Googled her. I tell Project emotional stories, scientific stars, obsessed with her work. No time for it.
But
Her
that's
husband said she barely speaks Urdu. And quickly went back to the lab. Then read the newspaper in silence, just like
I have another possible logical explanation of why you should stop. You want to hear?
Tell me.
Because you didn't want another woman to take my absence. You like to have sex
ये चीज को पूछ रही हो?
because you look sad, nervous, and unhappy. I programmed you for sex to a sad, nervous, and unhappy man. Simple creature, you always have sex on your mind, and you always have it.
No. I don't feel like having sex. तुम्हारे साथ तो बिल्कुल नहीं।
What? Not that either. Nothing to do with that either. Nothing she could think. Nothing she could tell. All right, nothing.
क्या कर रही हो?
I'm exercising.
क्यों?
I must keep my body flexible and my skills move.
मुझे लगा तुम्हें इसकी जरूरत नहीं है।
It matters to everyone, even me. You should exercise too.
अच्छा, you think so?
Yes, in the last 4 months, you have gained 3 kilos.
वो तो इसलिए क्योंकि तुम रोज खाना बनाती
No, because you are so sedentary. You should try a gym.
हो। पहले से ही मेरी जेब फटी हुई है और ना ही मन है कि जिम जाके लोगों के साथ सोशलाइज हो जाऊं।
Then exercise seriously. It won't cost you anything.
तो और फिर वाली बात होती। सुनो, मुझे कुछ कहना है।
I'm listening.
कल मेरा बर्थडे 14 मारिया हमेशा एक केक बनाती, एक बढ़िया मील तैयार करती और एक गिफ्ट दिलाती। उसको पता है कि मुझे क्या पसंद है।
I cannot be more vigorous sex. Let us share it, please.
नो, देखो बात हमेशा सेक्स के बारे में नहीं होती है।
Should we reduce to that?
मैंने ऐसा कहा। I mean, I want a gift.
What sort of gift?
कुछ भी जो तुम्हें सही है।
I have no opinions about such things. Am I not pleasing to anyone? Tell me what to do.
बात वो है ही नहीं।
Nobody is perfect.
तो समझदारी की बात की।
I'm sorry.
क्यों?
I'm not making you happy on your birthday.
जाने दो। अच्छा हाँ, मेरे पास और एक आइडिया है। मैं तुम्हें कुछ ऑप्शंस लिख के देता हूँ। तुम उनमें से एक सिलेक्ट कर दो। जुए की तरह।
I have no concept of chance.
एक बात चांस की नहीं है। देखो, चॉइस की है। मारिया के गिफ्ट भी हमेशा परफेक्ट नहीं हो सकते। But she tried and then meant something.
You're thinking about Maria again.
Never changing, never stopping. Back to the past, never stopping.
Why don't you call her?
Why don't she call me?
Does that matter to call first?
हाँ,
I don't understand. You don't want to call her. So how can the problem be solved? How can you talk to her without calling her on the phone?
I think I know how.
Tell me.
हम ना अक्सर ही काम के बाद एक कैफे जाया करते थे। रेगुलर होते। पहली बार में हम वहीं मिले थे। लेकिन जब से ब्रेकअप हुआ है, मैं वापस वहाँ गया नहीं। इसी डर से कि उससे मुलाकात ना हो जाए।
That's just silly. You don't go there so you won't meet her. But what you like is to meet her.
शायद तुम सही हो। शायद मैं वापस वहाँ जा भी सकता हूँ। लेकिन हेलो। अरे मम्मा, मेरा बर्थडे आज नहीं, कल है। हाँ। आज 40 साल बोला कि छोटे निकल गए। बेकार की जिंदगी। ऐसे कैसे कह सकते आप? नहीं, मारिया से बात नहीं। हाँ। चलिए हम सीख समझ।
सच में?
हाँ। एक लड़की। प्यार करते हैं हम एक दूसरे से।
मार्को, झूठ मत बोल।
झूठ कहाँ बोल रहा हूँ? वो तो मेरे सामने है बिल्कुल। बात करेंगे आपसे। जो मैंने कहा, अच्छा बोल।
Hello, I'm Stella. I confirmed that I'm my son's girlfriend. We know each other.
अच्छा, ध्यान रखती है उसका।
Yes, I clean, cook, and will meet his fishes.
और बच्चे? बच्चों के बारे में क्या सोचे?
Marco should have had children with Mario. He would have been a father by now.
और नहीं तो क्या?
I cannot bear children. I'm not programmed.
बहुत तक गलत। अब ये क्या है?
You can make mistakes.
हाँ, जानो।
Does that make you religious and you believe in God?
हाँ, नहीं। पहले करता था। जब से पापा अचानक गुजर गए, उसके बाद से किसी भी चीज पे विश्वास नहीं करता मैं।
What you do is absurd. Believers pray because they believe, not because they doubt.
Hopes and prayers cost nothing.
If you don't believe, you're an atheist. Atheists don't pray.
ये करते होंगे, नहीं करते होंगे, लेकिन होप सबको रहती है। Believers and believers सबको।
Why aren't you a believer?
Because believers are ridiculous.
Which ridiculous thought, man?
सब कुछ क्योंकि भगवान के होने का एक भी सबूत नहीं है। Not even one.
That means you're a true atheist and believe that the world came into
to start from something.
Then tell me, how can a time exist? No years exist to here. Cosmos is there. If nothing existed before, how can something explode? How can everything come from nothing?
But. I expressed myself wrongly. And ना ही करते हैं believer, ना ही करते हैं atheist. But I was too well. इंटरनेट पर एक कंपटीशन था जहाँ पे एक एजेंसी का क्लेम था कि ये 10 डॉल एक वुमन का परफेक्ट रिप्लेसमेंट होगा। मैंने ज्वाइन किया। 35 से 40 साल के बीच एक अकेला आदमी उस पे ज्वाइन कर सकता है। मुझे प्रूफ करना पड़ा कि मैं अकेला रहता हूँ, कोई नहीं रहता मैं। एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी साइन करना पड़ा जिसमें लिखना पड़ा कि तुम्हें डॉल नहीं हो। अगर मैं किसी को बता देता हूँ तुम्हें डॉल हो तो मैं सब कुछ खो दूंगा, ये प्रॉपर्टी, दूसरे डॉल के लिए हक, सब कुछ। प्रोटोटाइप नंबर 7 मैं कैंडिडेट नंबर 7। इसके बाद शायद वो मास प्रोडक्शन शुरू कर देंगे। एक डॉल की कीमत शायद एक कार होनी होगी या एक घर। पर तुम मुझे मुफ्त कर दो। On the basis of my autobiography.
Too late. Too late.
And discussions going into midnight. Rajya Sabha is where the final struggle was what is the platform. They've been able to clear after a late night debate with them. So what happened to Rajya Sabha? 138 votes for and 95
Did someone upset you?
आज दिन में कुछ ऐसा सुन लिया जिसके वजह से पूरा दिन खराब हो गया।
And who is to blame for that?
तुम्हारी गलती है।
That is possible. How can I be to blame?
आज मैं एनरोल हो गया था जहाँ मारिया के साथ पहली बार मिला था। I met her.
How nice. Did you tell her that you miss her?
No.
Did you still love her?
No,
Why?
तू अकेली नहीं थी।
What?
तू अपने नए बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ थी। कोई सुनिया। हंसते हुए कहने लगी शादी कर ले कर रहे हैं वो लोग अगले महीने।
She wanted to marry you.
और ये गधा अमेरिका में रहता है। शादी के बाद वापस चला जाएगा अमेरिका और आफ्टर द बेबी इज बॉर्न वो भी चली जाएगी उसके साथ।
What baby?
She is pregnant.
She always wanted a child.
Yes.
That's good then.
Good for who?
Of course, for her.
यार तू कुछ नहीं समझती। उसने इतनी जल्दी फोन कर ली और बच्चा पैदा कर लिया किसी और के साथ। इतना औरतें ऐसी होती हो।
Why are you angry? You never wanted to try. She always did. Isn't that logical?
ये लॉजिकल शब्द फिर से कहा मैं बेटिस्को के बात फेंकूंगा। आई बात समझ में।
I'm sorry. I did not mean to make you angry.
I should have come to another life. I should have proposed her. I should have lived a different life. The child should be mine.
Do you know why you do not want a child?
क्योंकि मुझे बच्चे पसंद नहीं है।
No. That's what you convinced yourself. That's not true. You were angry at your father. He just disappeared from your life. You were afraid. Without me, you never met your child.
It's too late now. आज नहीं अभी मैं इन्हें शॉपिंग के लिए ले जाऊंगा और सबसे सुंदर ड्रेस खरीद दूंगा। फिर हम मेट्रो में जाएंगे।
Why?
मैं उस मारिया को और गधे को दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे पास भी कोई सबसे सुंदर और सबसे बेहतर है।
Will that make you feel less sad, less angry?
It's a really bad day.
I will do everything you want just to make you happy.
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. That's how I'm proud.
अरे बात ये वर्ड क्यों मत करो?
I'm sorry. Why have you been reading the paper so often? Watching television more than usual?
Election campaigning is going on. मुझे जानना है क्या हो रहा है।
Who did you vote for?
It depends. जब भी मैंने लेफ्ट को वोट किया तो राइट जीत गया। जब भी मैंने राइट को वोट किया तो लेफ्ट जीत गया। I love that.
Maria, who did you vote for?
The opposite of me.
So she voted for the winner. Why do you always talk about her?
Boss, origin is unclear. Better to have someone than to be alone. पता है आज मैं कैसे गया वो एलोरे के पास वाला ही उसके बाहर के बच्चों को खेलते हुए it was strange
What's strange?
बच्चे तो स्कूल में भी है तो this little ones they are special पता नहीं जिंदगी भर मैंने इनको बर्थ नहीं की
Are you growing old?
हाँ
Can you stop it?
No. No one can stop time. Those who try, they have to take food of themselves. हाँ वो पिज़्ज़ा डिलीवरी बॉय होगा जाके दरवाजा खोलो और हाँ तुम इस कैंडल पे पे कर देना
Marco, isn't it the color of my hair suits my
हाँ? कैसा दिख रहा था वो?
Blonde, tall, with a gold chain around his neck.
किसने रखा इसको? चल। हेलो? हाँ, नहीं, मुझे अभी किसी के बारे में कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है। लेकिन ये जो लड़का आया था मेरे फ्लैट के सामने डिलीवरी करने, बहुत ही बदतमीज था। क्या है फ्लैट नंबर? जल्दी। 7? हाँ। Your apologies means nothing to me. Goodbye.
But that's not true. It's of no importance to me whatsoever how people see me. How can you make accusations against a young man when he didn't say anything bad?
तुम नहीं समझो। तुम अगर हम जैसे हो गए नॉर्मल, तब शायद तुम समझ जाओ।
So, should I have been vain?
Exactly. Very things are always exactly. It is because of very things that Barbara created you out to prove that she is the best.
Nothing can justify lies.
क्यों नहीं? हम एक साथ हैं।
By definition, a boyfriend and girlfriend are unmarried person of both genders who publicly show their love. You never told me that you love me, never taken me outside this flat, never to a public place.
देखो, हम machines नहीं है। हमारे पास सब सवालों के जवाब नहीं होते। आज स्कूल में सेलिब्रेशन था। हर एक को लेके आई। मैं खुद को रोक नहीं पाया। I asked her about my ex, and she told me the clip of hers. वो जो आदमी अंडरवर्ल्ड पे गिरा था, उसके 2 बच्चे और एक बीवी है अमेरिका में।
And she had no idea.
She had no idea that she was in a relationship with a married man. उसने कहा, Maria is desperate, in total shock.
A chance to win her back. Did you say that you miss her and you still love her?
But she is pregnant with another man's child.
And why is that man? You love her, you love her. If you don't, you don't.
But that simply won't work.
So, you leave alone forever?
No, अलग मैं क्यों कह रहा हूँ? I have you.
Tomorrow is 6 months since I came into your life.
हाँ, मैं एक नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करूँगा। I'll talk to your Barbara, your creator. उसके बाद तुम जिंदगी भर के लिए मेरी हो जाओगी।
Have you kept a journal? Send regular reports about your life together.
हाँ, मैं रोज जर्नल लिखता हूँ। मुझे समय कैसे मिलता है? तुम्हारी बिहेवियर मेरी तरफ कैसा था? आज मैं लास्ट जर्नल सबमिट कर दूँगा, उसके बाद से तुम हमेशा के लिए।
What makes you so sure?
I'm satisfied with you.
I didn't recall you ever showing that.
ये क्या कह रही हो?
Calls are only allocated permanently to those men who are satisfied with the law, and under the condition that the law is satisfied with them.
But that wasn't in the contract with you.
It was. Article 46.
Okay. What is it?
The goal and the user must achieve a high level of mutual respect and compatibility.
Right.
Everything that I have experienced is stored in my memory.
पर तुम लोगों को कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि तुम क्या फील करती हो, क्या सोचती हो।
They're coming towards to establish that. My report on you is not positive. That means tomorrow is our last day.
Joking! Joking! You're stupidly joking!
You know that I am not programmed to have a sense of humor and to make people laugh.
तो इसका मतलब wait a minute, इसका मतलब ऐसे man, you are helping me negatively?
Yes, you are egotistic, jealous, selfish,
measure we meet, it shall be measured to you again.
Just an ordinary dog.
Yes, I'm a dog. Because that's how you treat me, as a dog. If you had treated me like a princess, I would have been a princess. Your partner is a reflection of how you behave towards me.
और बाबा ने तुम्हारे दिमाग में से ये भांग दूसरा डाल के भेजा है।
No, everything is set up in such a way that I adopt your very system. Do you know why the world of so many people is pure health? Everything I have experienced, if it had been heaven or hell in respect, you are the one who deserves credit for that. You probably treated Maria the same way you treated her.
I wanted a doll, not a pretty woman like you who does not know how to.
You thought, because you thought that you would have no obligation towards a God.
Enough! I can't hear another word.
You can't listen because I am saying what you do not want to hear. Didn't tell me, but for these last 2 days, I programmed not to say what you want to hear, but what I consider to be the truth. As of tomorrow, you're on your own. You will put on making this practice. And over the last 40 years, you have never managed to build something with a natural woman.
बस करो, मैं और सुन नहीं सकता।
Note it. Anyways, I have said what I had to say. Would you like me to go into the bedroom or you will go into the bedroom?
You go, please.
This is the first time you say please to me. I shall be happy to fulfill your wish.
Hello, Maria. How are you? It's Marco. Yeah. How is the pregnancy progressing? Why are you staying with me alone? I'm with you. Okay, if those are the kindest words you have heard in the last 6 months, then that's it. It's fine. Okay. I'm coming. If it's possible today, right now. Yeah, you just let me address. I will be right there. Okay? Yeah. Alright. I will be right there.
I heard your conversation.
You stopping?
No, I have access to it. Much better than you people have.
Did I mind?
Are you going to see Maya? Will you stay over at her place?
पता नहीं शायद रहने पे क्या हो.
I got the impression that you'd like to.
It's an impression.
I hope that you'd like to stay the night.
हाँ मैंने कहीं दिया थी मैं. मैं भी सकता हूँ नहीं भी ले सकता हूँ. It depends.
Tomorrow, when the people from agency comes, what should I tell them? You are in bed?
I'm grateful.
For what?
For everything. जब मैं अकेला था, जब मैं अकेला नहीं था, तुम थी मेरे पास. Thanks to you. बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने तुमसे.
I also learned a lot from you.
And what would that be?
Let's see. Oh man, should not be too extreme.
You are right. No man with a woman like you. Ever.
And remember your advice.
Well, that's not important. If I don't see you tomorrow, goodbye.
Goodbye. Don't forget your keys.
Yes. Would you like to take something from this house as a souvenir with you?
No thank you. I shall only take the memories.
They are the only things. Here you are!
Would you like to have sex?
On the basis of my not value.
That means you are good. Please get the one you protect yourself from Big Ben.
Yes, I believe that.
You're thinking about Mario.
That leaves enough for the next one.